The world is full of things we still don't understand. Today, we're diving into 100 facts about everything we don't know. From the deepest corners of the ocean to the far reaches of space, let's explore some of the most mind-boggling mysteries of our time. Imagine waking up with a list of questions that no one, not even the smartest scientists in the world, can fully answer. Today, we're exploring 100 of those mysteries. From what makes gravity work to why we dream to whether we're living in a simulation. Get ready for a wild journey across science, the mind, and the unknown. Let's start with space because that's where it all began. The universe and space. Dark matter. We know it exists because of its gravitational pull, but we have no idea what it actually is. Dark energy. Responsible for the universe's accelerating expansion, but we don't know how or why it works. Life in the universe. Despite searching, we haven't found any conclusive evidence of extraterrestrial life. The Big Bang. The event that created the universe. Scientists still don't fully understand how it happened. Black holes. These cosmic giants suck in everything around them, but what happens inside one is still a mystery. Parallel universes. Some theories suggest there could be infinite universes, but we can't prove it yet. Time travel. The laws of physics allow it, but we haven't figured out how to actually do it. Gravity. It's essential to life, but we still don't fully understand why gravity works the way it does. The speed of light. It's fast and constant, but no one knows why light travels at this exact speed. Multiverse. Could our universe be one of many? It's a fascinating theory, but it's still unproven. Earth and nature. Earth's core. We've never been able to directly study the Earth's core. So much of it remains a mystery. The ocean. Over 80% of the ocean remains unexplored, hiding countless secrets beneath the surface. Earthquakes. Despite advances in monitoring, we still can't predict when earthquakes will happen. Photosynthesis. Plants turn sunlight into energy, but the exact processes involved are still being studied. Migratory birds. Birds can fly thousands of miles without getting lost, but how they navigate is still unclear. Tornadoes. What causes tornadoes to form is still not fully understood, despite extensive research. Deep-sea pollution. How pollution is impacting deep-sea life over time is something scientists are still figuring out. Climate change. While we know it's happening, we don't know the full extent of its effects on the planet. Volcanoes. Despite monitoring, scientists can't always predict when or where a volcano will erupt. Auroras. The beautiful lights in the sky are caused by solar winds, but why they appear as they do is still not fully understood. The human body. Memory storage. We don't fully understand how memories are stored in the brain or how we form long-term memories. Neuroplasticity. The brain can change and adapt over time, but how and why this happens is still not fully understood. Superhuman memory. Some people have incredible memory abilities, but scientists aren't sure why this happens. Consciousness. We know we're aware, but why and how we experience consciousness remains a mystery. Sleep. We all need sleep, but we still don't fully understand why our bodies require it. Cancer. We don't know why some people get cancer while others don't, even though we know some of the causes. Immune system. Why the immune system attacks the body in certain autoimmune diseases is still a mystery. Pain. How our brain processes pain is still unclear, even though we experience it every day. Aging. We know we age, but the biological processes behind aging are still not fully understood. Déjà vu. That eerie feeling of familiarity isn't completely explained, despite many theories. The mind and psychology. Emotions. How our brain processes and triggers emotions is something we're still trying to understand. Memory recall. Why we forget some things but remember others is still a big puzzle for scientists. Lucid dreaming. People can control their dreams, but how the brain achieves this state is still unclear. Telepathy. Some claim to read minds, but no one knows how or why some people have this ability. Personality. How our unique personalities develop and why we think, feel, and behave the way we do remains a mystery. Imagination. We don't know how or why some people have more vivid imaginations than others. Synesthesia. Some people experience senses blending together, like hearing colors, but why this happens is still unknown. Dreams. While we have theories about dreams, no one knows for sure why we dream or what their purpose is. Phantom limb pain. People with amputations can feel pain in limbs that no longer exist, and scientists don't know why. Addiction. Why some people become addicted to certain substances or behaviors, and others don't, is still unclear. History and time. Pyramids. How ancient civilizations built the Egyptian pyramids with such precision remains a mystery. The Great Wall of China. While we know it exists, the full origin and purpose behind the wall are still unclear. The fall of Rome. We don't know exactly what caused the collapse of the Roman Empire. It's still debated by historians. Mayan disappearance. The Mayan civilization mysteriously disappeared, and we don't know why. Easter Island statues. How and why the statues were built on Easter Island remains unsolved. Discovery of America. Who really discovered America? It's a question still being debated among scholars. Atlantis. Did the lost city of Atlantis really exist, or is it just a myth? We still don't know. Amelia Earhart. The disappearance of Amelia Earhart is one of history's greatest unsolved mysteries. Stonehenge. Why Stonehenge was built and how it was constructed is still a mystery. Roanoke Colony. The fate of the lost colony of Roanoke is still unknown. Science and technology. Quantum entanglement. Particles can instantly affect each other no matter how far apart they are, but no one knows how it works. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to check out part 2. It gets even more fascinating.